Hey there, Snug as a Hug here. Looking out the back window, we have got some ice that is starting to melt in the pool. It's a beautiful sunny day, so we can actually open up the windows and get some breeze into the house. Yeah, it's not really spring weather just yet, but it's getting close. We need to get back to this mermaid tale. Let's see how this goes.
Hi! This is her gonna be right now.
Okay, so I've got the new tube of silicone cut open and the inside is popped. Let's start squirting and see how it goes. Kind of want to start by just getting some of this new yarn with a little bit of a silicone coating to it, just so it sort of stays in one place once I really start to put some extra silicone down. You may have noticed I've put in some extra yarn bits because I think I want to have, I don't know, like 6 inches down past the plastic, so pretty much all this is going to end up being covered in silicone. So I just want to kind of smooth some of this out a little bit. Just working with a plastic spoon that has been dipped into cold water with dish soap, just to hopefully make it attach to the spoon less and to the tail more. Sprinkles in there. We need more pink sparkles. Keeping in mind we are still going to do the back side of this with the same kind of coating. So while I would like to have a fairly solid layer, anything that doesn't happen to get made solid on this side, we'll just be sure to fill that in with silicone on the other side. For now, I think that does it.